Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this seed starter kit. This is a 6-piece. It does come with these glow lights and humidity domes. Alright, so today we received our seed kit. This is a starter kit, so this helps you grow your seeds from seeds all the way up to plants. I like the fact that it does come with the lights on the top, so if you are in an area that doesn't get very much light, this will help the problem. So it comes with your little bottom trays. You get another bottom tray, so this is where you'll put your flowers or your seeds in. It does have very well ventilation here at the bottom, so if you put a little bit too much water, then you've got the very bottom trays, which gives you about a ½ inch so it doesn't fill up with water. So this is what goes under, and then you do have the lights, and then you have the domes, which gives it the greenhouse effect. It levels from 50 to 100% for optimal seed germination and plant growth. It comes with 6 packs of polythene plastic trays with 12 cells, each growing seeds into seedlings. It has a full spectrum plant grow lights, which provides artificial lights for controlled growth and abundant harvest. So these are the lights right here. You get 6 of them. These are perfect for indoors, ideals for germination seeds of growing for flowers, vegetations, fruits, and plants. You also do get these little sticker things here to put in what you are growing. So with a full spectrum plant grows, it's a full spectrum LED growing light, which increases the growth rate at seeding. So the clear cover is a 3.9 inch. It's high enough, more space for plant growth. So you get 2 USB cables. It is a 3-in-1. You get 6 domes. You have 10 labels, 6 covers. Seeding trays, you get 6. You get base trays, you get 6. You have 2 garden tools. So these are the clear covers. They're transparent cell trays, so you can see the growth of your plants. I like the fact that it does have a really high dome with a height of 3.9 inches, which gives you a lot more space for your flower growth. So this is the top part, this is the middle part, and then you have the bottom part, which is this little green thing right here. So you'll put your cell trays inside of this bottom base. Just pop it in there just like that, and then you'll grab your dome, you'll put your dome on over, and then you'll have your light. Your light snaps on here at the top, so it gives you the greenhouse effect. So it goes just like this. You can see each one of these have a charger plug right in here. It just snaps right in there, so you'll just grab it from the inside. Not this way, because you can kind of damage the dome. So there's a little snap part. You just push it in down and it should snap in place. The great thing is you have 2 ways to use it. You can use it by adding a planting vegetable, flowers, or herbs, other plant soils. You can grow light with the humidity dome. You can grow with the dome or without the dome. So I like this because you do get the light. So if you're in an area like today, it is not very sunny, and I'm going to start planting some vegetables. So this one here gives the lights to your plants, and it looks really nice. I like the fact that you do get extra one of these. These trays do have a way for the water to escape, so you don't over water your plants. So it does fill up on the bottom. Right here is the top. We got the plug in already, and then this is what the light is. So I'm just going to plug this into a charger so you can see how bright these are. This is more like a red light, which gives plants more of the light that they need. So they are super bright, as you can see. So each one of these USB cables have 3 on one, and then the other one has also a 3-in-1. So this is a pack of 6. So if you're definitely looking for something to start growing your fruits and vegetables, I'd highly recommend checking these ones out. These are super nice and they look really nice. I like the fact that you can see the bottom to the process of the growth of the roots.